Are you wondering how to change your username on Twitter and you couldn't find where you can change that inside the settings of the app? Well, do not worry guys, my name is David from Litex Tech Support and this is what I will be showing you today. That being said, let's get this tutorial started. So I will open up the X app or Twitter as its name now, and here you will have to be, but first, when you normally open the app, you'll be on the newsfeed page, and I will tap once on my profile picture and let's go into the settings and support. Right under you can find settings and privacy, and you will have to go inside your account. Here you will locate account information. I will tap there and here you can locate the username. I will tap on it. You can see the current one that you have, and if you want to add another one you will have to type under new, and let's press on continue. And right now I am allowed to type one, so I will type just new username, and I think it's taken. Yes, it's taken 71. It's still taken 3-9. Okay, finally, and press on done. And right now my username has been changed. For a reason or another of security, I will have to prove that I am a real person. I will have to press on authenticate to identical objects. I think those rockets from the upper right side. Yes, I passed the robot test. I am feeling so proud of myself, and I just changed my username in this way. If I help you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Please have a wonderful day.